Oh, dick, boys. Lots and lots of snow in northeast Ohio. Got cleared up in front of the building. Is in the building. Got the four-wheeler running. Gonna let her warm up. It's pretty fucking cold. Not as cold as it is in Manitoba, eh, Drew and Curtis, but still pretty cold. It's about 10 degrees here, so we'll let her warm up. Mama just got home from work, so you can see the snow on her car. But then there's my car, so yeah, we got a good 10-12 inches and they're calling for more, so gonna get the driveway cleaned up now, and we'll see if I'm smart enough to tie clips together, because this is a 1-minute clip, and we got some more 1-minute clips coming, so talk to y'all in a little bit. There we go. Camera was being dumb for a minute, but that's where my car was at. So you wonder how deep the fucking snow is. There you go. Got my car moved. No, Dave, I'm not gonna drive it without cleaning it off. You'll get fucking yelling at me. Just moving it to plow. But you can see that's where my car was. Mama's car. Everything plowed down to the wood. Here's the mighty plow machine with the taillight out. And I realized something. Trying to run a winch, shift the four-wheeler, and videotape just isn't going to happen very much, boys. Let's see if we can do this. I'm doubtful. Oh my goodness, I'm back. See if we can make this happen. The fucking video's gonna be all over the place. Oh, it's cold out here. Okay, we got her up. There you go, Curtis. 46.2 hours. 172 miles. Alright. We're in backwards gear. Drop the fucking phone. That'd be good, eh? Ramming speed forward. Oop, there was something there. Oh well. Oh, that's a zoom. Wow. How you going, guys? It's not the easiest thing to do. Trying to drive, plow, and operate the winch. So I don't die, I will talk to you guys when I'm done. See you later. Well, we're all done. We made her through it. Got the driveway cleared out. Where are we at, Dave? 170. Turn the fucking lights off. 172 RPM. 46.4 hours. For 2012. Holy shit. 5 years old. Not even 10 hours onto it a year. Anyways, my building. Really can't tell much, but there's a shelf with some stuff in it. Some ramps. My cabover. My wagon. There's my snowblower that I'm too fat and lazy to use. There's my air compressor. That's about it. Oh, there's a push mower over there. But alright, boys, this is the fucking crazy snow of late December, northeast Ohio. They're calling for way more. This was just the beginning. So I'll figure with what they're calling, I better get out here and do this now. Hopefully you can hear me. I don't even know if you can hear me with the sheet going. I don't know. But that's it. This is my 2012 Sportsman Polaris Sportsman 500 HO. Frigasack.